Want to play an instrument? Musician is the easiest way to learn guitar, ukulele, piano, bass, and singing. Master melodies, chords, and more with step-by-step tutorials. Discover over 10,000 of your favorite songs and lessons in the library. Get instant feedback while you play, and track your progress as you learn and level up. Musician has everything you need to master one instrument or 5. So get the app and start making the music that makes you happy today.
Hey, look at that! I just learned my 5th chord with Simply Guitar.
Who cares about that? What was that green thing?
Hey!